Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TabLab here, back at another buying $1 Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 1146 in a row. If you're new here, we use Cash App for this experiment. You can find hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my channel. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. Also, I don't normally wear sunglasses, but I woke up with a headache and it's like super bright in here, so kind of just rocking the sunglasses today. So taking a look at Bitcoin, going on quite a bit of a run lately, up about 1% today. Current price is $44,264. Looks like it kind of hit some resistance there around 45k, and coming back down, it looks like a lot, but if you go to like the weekly chart, you can see it's not really a lot compared to what it's done this week. So we're up over 7% on the week and up 15% on the past month, still down 16% on the past year, but definitely some sideways action here, and what's looking like kind of a large accumulation zone, although it's up and down a lot. Let's take a look at the news today. Beware the Bitfinex whale, new 45k sell wall appears amid worries. Shitcoins are garbage. Bitcoin only brokers on Freedom and Finance. Bitcoin miner TeraWulf stock? How to heat your home with Bitcoin mining. They just don't do the best job of news on here. Yo, Cash App, like, get some news on here that like average people like me, maybe some people that use your app, they're usually just like average Bitcoin people. So maybe cater your news to that audience and not, I don't know what a lot of this stuff is, just not that great of news for people every day. You gotta get some better stuff on here. Bitcoin owned 0.09450650. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. It's gonna scan my face. Try it again. That's crazy that it can scan your face even with sunglasses, or like if you're wearing a mask and stuff. Confirm. Done. Just like that, we've added one more dollar of Bitcoin to our balance. You can scroll down here and see now Bitcoin owned 0.09452841. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,187 divided by 1,146 days equals a 3.65x on my investment. So doing very well. What that means, every dollar that I'll put into this experiment, I now have $3.65. Let's go ahead and do the dollar gain. $4,189 minus 1,146 days equals $3,043 gained. Can't beat that. I'll take it. Doing very well with this experiment. Loving the dollar cost average method. It's been proven to work for a few years now. So looking forward to continuing with this and seeing where it goes. Let's take a look at some other stuff that I talk about a little bit here. So we got the Genesis Syncronauts. Remember when I was telling you guys to buy these at 0.2 ETH? So the Syncronauts is a DAO that builds DeFi and NFT products. First product is an NFT marketplace. It's been going very well. We gotta sort this. There we go, low to high. Some of these aren't even for sale, so there's really only a few that are for sale. Current floor price 0.777. Actually, like if you buy one of these, you get a pretty good ROI just right off the bat. So yeah, if you own a Synchronaut, you have ownership in the marketplace, you have voting power. Just join the Discord, check it out, see where it goes from there. It's kind of like the second big project from Sync. The first project is their NFT crypto bonds, which are also really dope, doing very well lately. I think one of the most underrated things in the crypto space. You can check out my previous videos if you want to learn about those, but I just wanted to share an idea. You know, I love to push them on like the artwork, what's possible, what people will be interested in, that type of thing. Here's one of like the OG artworks. We can scroll down. See, these are the newer artwork. So previously said, you know, we should build out these characters and have like different attributes and rarities, so then when people mint these, they have the chance of getting something rare, something unique, a really cool trait, something that represents them. So I like the direction that this is going in these later ones. And if you don't know, they're working on Sync V2, which will have updated artworks and tons of new updates to make it easier to use. Essentially, they want to do like one-click crypto bonds. So if you have $10 of Ethereum in your wallet or $10 of Pulse, you can just move the slider to $10 and click mint crypto bond. There's a whole nother discussion about the supply how this thing works, how it's structured. I think it's genius. How the token supply is burned so the market cap can go higher, and if you understand like the tokenomics, it's a crazy concept. No one else is doing it. So I'm very excited for this and where it goes in the future. Regarding the artwork, I know the team loves the crypto bond style. I've been pushing for more of the PFP style because that's what's popular. But I also think there's an opportunity for this base crypto bond that we can apply different artwork sets to it. So when you go to mint the bond, you can select crypto bond artwork and you get something like this. Or you could select Syncronauts artwork and you get something more like the Syncronauts style here, more tuned to a PFP though. And then maybe there's other ones that we can bring in. You know, we're finding all of these great artists, so maybe they can do art and build out like a generative art. Of course, we can't accept everyone and we have to be picky in what we're looking for, but maybe we can do a partnership with like X artist and they have their own style for this crypto bond NFT. So there becomes like a drop down menu where you kind of pick the art style that you want minted. Then I think that could open up some cool partnerships as well. Like I know a few people at Whatnot, for example. Whatnot is like a live auctioning app. So we can go in here. See, like going twice as live. Right now he's auctioning off Pokemon cards or Pokemon packs that are opened and then shipped. But they've been looking into NFTs and I've been watching them do their NFTs a little bit. I think they're kind of struggling or trying to find something that works for them. I see them doing it on ETH and with like some weird projects like Jail 8 Babies or whatever. And I'm like, I don't know if that's hitting the mark that they're trying to hit. And then they're having to deal with ETH fees and all of that. But like once Pulse Chain is out, there'd be essentially no fees. And then what if they could come up with their own artwork that kind of plugs into this crypto bond system? I don't know, it's something to think about. If we could take different art sets and just let the user choose which one that they want when they go to mint their bond. And that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.